Hey guys, welcome to the next part of the video. So let's get started. Number 19. Flash fill letters. We have got a list of names and we want to extract the initials. So for Robert Williams RW, what do? We use this as a template, r.w. and then we press CTRL E and it flash fills all the initials. Can Excel handle middle names? Well, let's try it out. Robert James Williams. We put in James in this column, then we try Ctrl E, and yes, it seems to pick out the middle names as well. Finally, we have got full names with the middle name. We want the initials plus a surname. So in this case, it will be R for Robert, J for James, and Williams. Here's the template. I'm going to press Ctrl E, and flash fills it out. That's a great result. Number 20. Smart use of clipboard. Everyone knows you can copy and paste items, but do you know you can copy and paste multiple items? To do that, go to the Home tab and where it says Clipboard, click on the little arrow to launch the System Clipboard. We can reposition this as we want, let's say here. Then we can copy items, and when we copy them, they appear in the clipboard. Let's copy a few more, copy, and this one. Ctrl C to copy. Now if we select another cell, we can then paste all, and the values are pasted where you have selected. You can also do this with other apps, so we'll switch to Word. I'm going to copy this text and switch back to Excel. Then click in this cell and click on this. So you see the text from Word was copied into Excel, and to clear it, you just have to clear all, and that clears the clipboard. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos like this and for the next part of the video, keep connected. Adios.